Most people don't go broke because they are irresponsible. They go broke because no one warned them. No teacher in school told them, no employer taught them. And by the time life teaches the lesson, the cost is painfully high. There are two kinds of people after 40, both hardworking, both earning decently, both paying their bills on time. But one of them sleeps peacefully at night. The other lies awake, staring at the ceiling, wondering, where did all my money go? Hamid was 43, earning more than ever before. Good job, good house, good reputation. But one medical emergency, and suddenly he had nothing left. Not because he was careless, but because he was making the same invisible money mistakes millions of people make without even realizing it. Today, we go through 10 financial mistakes people only realize when it's too late, so you can avoid them while there's still time. Let's begin. Mistake 1. Thinking, I'll save when I earn more. Saving doesn't start with income. It starts with discipline. If you can't save from 1,000, you won't suddenly save from 10,000. Wealth begins the day you decide. I keep something for my future, no matter how small. Mistake 2. No emergency fund. Most people don't realize they need an emergency fund until life forces them to need one. Like Kamran, who was financially stable, until his company downsized. One phone call and his income disappeared. Rent continued, groceries continued, life continued, but his money didn't. If he had even 3 months of expenses saved, he would have had time to breathe, time to think, time to restart. An emergency fund is not money just sitting. It is your freedom tax. Mistake 3. Building a lifestyle. Instead of building assets, in your 20s, you buy things to feel better. In your 30s, you buy things to look better. But at 40, you should be buying things that make you richer. Cars, clothes, phones, they lose value the moment you buy them. But assets, investments, skills, small businesses, rental income, they keep paying you long after you stop working. Like Nadia, who bought a new car every 3 years because she deserved it. Meanwhile, her coworker bought a small commercial shop. After 15 years, Nadia had 3 old cars and no money. Her coworker, monthly income, even in retirement. Mistake 4. Not tracking money. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear on its own. Most people don't overspend on big things. They overspend on small daily habits, like Kareem, who didn't spend much, until he tracked his spending and found daily coffees, random online buys, apps, snacks, delivery subscriptions, individually harmless, together stealing $400 a month. Budgeting is not restriction, it is awareness. Mistake 5. Delaying retirement. Saving. Many people think retirement is far away. But time is the greatest force in wealth. A small amount invested at 35 can be worth more than a large amount invested at 45. Like a seed. Plant it today, and it has time to grow. Wait 10 years, and suddenly the garden is too small. Even if you start late, start now, because your future self is dependent on you. Mistake 6. Too much trust in one source of income. A single income is like a chair with one leg. Stable, till the floor shakes. Like Hassan, who worked for 20 years in the same office. Everyone respected him. Then the company merged, and half the department was cut. One decision from someone he never met destroyed 20 years of stability. The wealthy know. The wealthy know. One income feeds you. Many incomes free you. You don't need 10 sources. Start with freelancing, selling a skill, rental income, digital products, small investments. One additional income stream can change your life. Mistake 7. Ignoring financial knowledge. Money rewards those who understand it. Some people earn for 40 years, but never increase their financial intelligence. They know songs, celebrities, apps, but not how compound interest works, how taxes reduce income, how inflation eats savings, how investments grow over time. Like Ajar, who saved in a bank for 15 years, but inflation was growing faster. He thought he was building wealth, but wealth was quietly melting. A few hours of learning a week can save decades of regret. Mistake 8. Comparing your financial life with others. Comparison creates pressure. Pressure creates poor decisions.
It's perfect.
Emma bought a luxury sofa, not because she needed it, because her sister had one. Then a new phone, new furniture, bigger rent, all for the man. Wealth is not measured by cars, neighborhoods, Instagram stories. Real wealth is measured by peace, security, time, freedom. Live by your goals, not someone else's photos. Mistake 9. Emotional spending money is not just numbers, it's emotional. People buy when they're tired, lonely, stressed, insecure. Excited like Farouk, who bought gadgets because they made him feel good after a long day. 2 years later, he changed his life. But the debt did. Emotional spending feels good today, but feels heavy tomorrow. If you wouldn't buy it on a calm mind, don't buy it stressful. Mistake 10. Waiting for the perfect time to start. So many people wait. When I earn more, when kids grow up, when things settle down. But life never settles down. Performing surgery is easier than saving money in perfect conditions. Like Layla, who waited 10 years to start her business just until things become stable. 10 years later, nothing changed. Except she grew older. The perfect day is not coming. The perfect time is now. Start small. Start imperfect. Start today. Money is not just a financial journey. It is an emotional one. Wealth belongs not to the past, but to the consistent. If you avoid these 10 mistakes, you won't just build money, you will build confidence, security, peace, a future that takes care of you. Because at the end of life, it's never the things we bought that we regret. It's the things we could have built, but didn't. Now, here's the beautiful truth. If you recognized even one of these mistakes in your life, that is not a failure. That is the beginning of a comeback. Because most people reach the age of 40 still blaming the economy, their childhood, bad luck, or someone else. But the wise ones, they stop looking outside and begin quietly repairing the kingdom within. Your wealth is not built by sudden success. It's built by slowly removing the leaks. A small hole can sink a great ship, but one seal, that same ship can cross oceans. So today, seal one leak, just one, even if it's small, and watch how differently life responds. If this lesson spoke to you, then stay with this channel, because this is not just financial advice. It's a journey of rebuilding the self, brick by brick, habit by habit, mindset by mindset. If you're over 30 and determined to build lasting wealth, silently, calmly, without the noise and pressure, then consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next